how do organizations leverage your technology? Do they actually purchase these accelerators and install them in, everybody's in the cloud, right? So
Yeah.
they
Yeah.
install it in a cloud provider, or do they rent the space from a cloud provider? How are they actually
Yeah.
using technology,
Yeah.
purchasing your
Yeah,
technology?
so our go-to market is actually quite simple, right? I mean, of course, we have to create demand, and that is directly tied to the kind of applications that we would really excel at, right? And the kind of applications that we really excel at is anything that requires extremely low latency. We call it ultra fast latency performance, or very high levels of interactivity. That's another way of putting it. But with batching, right? So you can support multiple users accessing an application while each user is still getting a highly interactive experience. Typically, what happens is when people start batching multiple users, they tend to sacrifice latency, right? So that is a very typical problem with GPUs, is the moment you start putting multiple users, each user suffers in terms of their interactivity with the application. In our case, we have solved for that. We can support multiple users while each, providing a very low latency experience. So the applications that we shine at are any kind of interactive video generation, any kind of interactive coding, any kind of interactive speech. So anything that requires the user to interact with AI in real time, we would really do well at that, right? And so we go to those enterprises. We actually show them the value prop of the product. We work directly with the cloud operators who know that their customers are looking for something like that. We work with sovereigns. We work with neo clouds, right? But our solution is, in some cases, our end customers are building their own infra. So we just go in with a card and sell the card to them, and they plug it into their infra. In some cases, our customers are looking for a total solution. So then we work with an ecosystem partner and go in with a total rack level solution, and then they deploy that rack level solution with our partner.